Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use low, mid, and high DJ EQ controls. These three essential knobs on your mixer give you powerful control over your sound. Mastering them is key to creating seamless transitions and a professional sounding mix. We'll break down each frequency band, discussing its impact and offering practical tips to elevate your DJ sets. Get ready to sculpt your sound with precision and confidence. The low-frequency knob, often labeled low or bass, manages everything from 20 Hz up to about 250 Hz. This is where your kick drums and bass lines live. When mixing, you'll often cut the lows from the incoming track to avoid a muddy sound, then slowly bring them in as you transition. A subtle boost can add warmth, but be careful not to overpower the mix. Next, we have the mid-frequency control, covering roughly 250 Hz to 2500 Hz. This is a critical range for vocals, lead synths, and many percussive elements like snares. Too much mid can make your mix sound boxy or harsh, while too little can make it sound hollow. Adjusting the mids carefully helps your tracks blend smoothly, ensuring each element has its space without clashing. Finally, the high-frequency knob, or treble, handles everything from 2500 Hz upwards. This is where you'll find the sparkle of cymbals, the crispness of hi-hats, and the overall airiness of your track. A slight boost can add clarity, but be mindful not to make the sound too piercing. Experiment with cutting and boosting all three bands to create dynamic builds, impactful drops, and truly professional-sounding DJ mixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.